Queenie, I said, all these side chicks in my inbox talking about they're gonna get Dewey. Dewey, you can have Dewey, but I have the ring. This, that, rated. Me I get old, me not lie. But speaking of old and age and relationship and marriage. First off, my condolence to you, Queenie, your daughter and your passing, and you know, you have a lot to deal with. Yes, Queenie, you have a lot dealing with, you know, the Queen. Relax. But Queenie, me I read the fucking comments them in a bro. And the people they must say, in a what day when your daughter went sick and when did their hospital, you did the on vacation. Them that are the same daughter where them say she's not with, you know, she's not with us anymore. Condolence again. You see me? They say you was on vacation celebrating 1 year worth of fuck. I comments them, you know. Them you know what me say that. They say how in comment section I say that, daddy. You see, they say yo, when Queenie daughter in the hospital, Queenie daughter Jamaica, I celebrate 1 year worth of fuck and 6 months worth of marriage. See? Bad man. They comment they want to kill me out. So me have to say, me have to really comment them at one point and just I watch the thing. You see what I'm saying? When Queenie I said, all these side chicks in my inbox talking about they're gonna get Dewey. Dewey, you can have Dewey, but I have the ring. This, that, rated. Make I tell you something, Queenie. And the first me talk for a year like a fucking marriage business where you want with. You see me? Me happy for everybody who want married, you know. Let me tell you something, Queenie. You see when me was younger, a pee a big woman me used to fuck me. You see me? Big woman like you. And me tell you so when me are 19, 20 and then me a fuck woman who are 45 or 50. You see what I say? When I fuck some big woman, you see me I say? Because no big woman, no one for take care of little boys. You need a sugar mama. You see what I say? You make life a little bit brighter for us. You come like a filter them on Instagram. You see me I deal with? So when the young boy them see Uno, nobody feel like say we see Uno talk about married and settled down with blood clot. Uno cause Uno know Uno wine bro. Nobody come with the fuck read. You know can't want to feel like that is what's gonna fucking happen. Because a sugar mama and a cougar is gonna be a cougar. You know how the situation end all the time, Queenie. Don't fuck around and act like say you don't know what the fuck this is. You see me? It don't end the fucking way how you have it in a year like a bird brain. You know what the fuck it is. You a fuck your grandson. This a little boy that can be your grandson, you know. Or your youngest son. This your boy just a bless up. Feeble to bless up, then just come out and trade. By next week, you see what fucking happen farm out. You understand what I deal with? This a little boy you know. This a little pussy clap boy. Look like our whisk. Where you take beat picnic. When they get trouble. Go block the piece of whisk they give me boy. Make a clot you with it. You is the whisk. This a look blood clot, look a fenke boy, I look like even no more than 11, 12, 13. You understand me? I don't know what kind of loneliness you did I got you to give this a boy an opportunity to talk to you as a big woman, but a year business that, my father. You understand the way I deal with? You know, expect in a year mind, say, show you the titty. And you're still 50 a day old, you know, bad man. This a little boy you don't even know where you want to feel blood clot self yet. Because when you look at him, you can know say him not about shit. This a little pussy hole you don't about nothing, the batty man ya. Him and nobody. Him no want pussy clot, nothing more than. You know, when this boy start fuck with you at first, you know, his papers him a look. This when you think well, look at 20, look at early age boy, and look if you can settle down with one woman, we can be in bumbuck like grandma. You all are the mother. You could have never expect that no. So when time you no expect that the little fucking fake little bumbuckler, little wood boy they don't have Jamaica fuck by you. How you mean? Probably it hurt if the girl come in your inbox can tell you, but everybody know that. Yeah, some of the mother, grandmother, them kind of look weird there. You shouldn't even entertain them little boy there as a big man. Them there some little boy. Them want to talk about say ages and say, fuck that. What the bumbuckler you mean by? Age is just a fucking number. When me a look at you, me a tell you me a fuck be a big woman, me feel good. Cause I love give out money, and me like that. When you make on the yard for free, fuck you know, I want to give you money, we have big clocks a bit, we hot. Bumbuckler, so I'm to that, we like it. You can't expect me now, at 30 about to be. Me about to be 30, only did expect say, me never did I go married to a woman who are 32. What the fuck me go talk about a woman who are 53 and married to for now? When me and I go watch me a bumbuckler profile and them thing there. Me don't want to watch profile. We don't have not a bumbuckler thing in common. You all, me young. You all, me young. You all, me young. Me never yet want to say nothing. Because to me, it does look fucking sickening. You see that the lily bumbuckler pussy hole of a boy and it look like a wingworm. Me say me bumbuckler. Could you say look a boy? Look like a grunage in the water. Me say, when me see it, me say I can't serious behavior this. This I can't serious behavior. This is how you know. This is a little boy. He might fuck down the whole of blood clot Jamaica. Discriminate you every day. Because I don't like saying I'm ever happy with blood clot you. You one big old woman be. How the fuck DMG? You think me as a 20-year-old boy see myself with a fucking granny? You mean you're going to get born with a blood clot there and you have to accept it? Probably coming at the wrong fucking time. Eh? You probably coming at the wrong time to you lose your daughter right now. But in the same sense, when your daughter in the hospital at the same liquor key they down there celebrate or you take now for a year. Eh? Not a pussy claw. No, I can't with that. You see what time me a little boy, girl, ditch. Remember for that? Whatever you want to call me. Me don't want to carry chat about that. Anything you want to call me. One hockey, one starfish, one mackerel, one boat, one cow, one dog. When I was a calf, then, since that one day we make you feel better. When I was a calf, I used to fuck a lot of blood clot big woman, mother cow. Got milk? A little lemonade will do. Don't play, come on, man, fuck yourself. So you can't suppress this a little boy again one. That the boy is not real, not a pussy clat, the boy does want to travel on a plane. Remember, England and America and Canada don't give out visa like that no more. Jamaica get a limited amount now, so everybody a look. As soon as them buck up, look a foreign girl, big woman, old woman, fat girl, Jamaica man, them not care. You could have fat, you could have whole, you could have this, as long as it's an opportunity for the reach a foreign. Them I got married to you and give you a blood clot bun. So you see, truth, it's hard for you accept, you know. Come on now, Queen. You see yourself with what the fucking boy name? Dowey. You see yourself with Dowey as a big woman. You can't see yourself with that little boy anymore. Me bumbo clad. I share you hefna. Me and them look. You can't expect. There is no way. Nobody can call you. Just see him we now, Queen. Let me tell you how you look. You and that film relationship look like the little girl and the man in Florida, yeah. Him used to fuck for her mother, and him used to be a godfather. And him a fucking now. Him a fuck the godchild now. They married. The godchild at 18 and him at 63. You feel me? What kind of happiness you can see in that now, Queenie? Come off of your head. What kind of happiness you can... More is pedophilia, that's so. He probably a pedophile like the little pit in a long time to bumbuck lad. You was a big woman now, Queenie. I could reason, because I know you love balling. No? Nobody with the fucking balling, because we are reason logically bumbuck lad, right? Yes, sir. You take up a child to be your husband. As a big woman, we're supposed to have a man who at least 50-year-old right now. Experience. Me not tell a woman worth it dating, but you have to accept what it come with. No little boy do not find companionship in an older woman. He find monetary values in an older woman. Right? Because we're not free and we delay money and we're young and we go into some blood clot fuck and we don't feel young again. We don't feel love because we have to hug up and kiss up on every blood clot way. So I'm curious about the truth now. You really did take Dewey serious? Do you can't do that for anybody as long as it's going to make him travel on a blood clot plane. My truth, that might sound hurtful, you know. What I truth? The truth is the truth no matter how you put it. I'm not a counselor, so I'm not going to come with it. So one time I look into it and I say, yo, look at this little blood clot boy. I look like him about 12. Queenie a big woman. What me expect better from? Me expect better from you as a big woman. Me not even expect. So when I tell me that me used to do soon, me used to think a joke. Tell me soon in a tuxedo. Me say me bumbuckler. Tuxedo. Frock. Hile. Flowers. Me say me bumbuckler. Me didn't think it was a media stunt at first. Because come on. Anybody consider that fucking serious? When you take up this little boy now, and now you can't have a bun. You know that did a comedy. Shut the fuck up. Right now, you know you get bun day in, day out. The little girl in my Jamaica spend the little fucking tongue them where you send go give the workless boy when I walk. Yo, I'm big man. You take up this little boy, you have to come blood clot use you and deal with the wicked as a blood clot big man. You pick me all of them blood clotting. You should be ashamed of yourself. If you even put yourself in the casket with little boy. Boy, wife. Wife what? You're the man. You could have been the man bumbuckler, mother, grandmother, mother. Swear. What kind of happiness you could have think say you're going to find this?